Look at that. Oh, look in there. Look how soft, how perfectly cooked that is. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make a Hungarian chicken paprikash. It's a simple recipe to make. We're going to make it in the slow cooker, but we start off in the pan. We want to put some browning on the chicken before we get it in that pan. Let's show you how to do it right now. So oil in a pan, not too much oil. I'm going in with some butter as well. Get the butter in there. Just give that a little whizzing round. I've got chicken thighs. I'm using chicken thighs today. It's a very easy recipe, and what we're going to do, we're going to put the chicken thighs in there. Now I've got a bit of oil, a bit of butter, because we are going to cook the chicken in there a little bit, and then we're going to chuck in some onions and that before chucking it in the slow cooker. So we're just going to start off in the pan and then finish it in the slow cooker. For the chicken, I've got chicken thighs that's bone in, and I'm going to put it bone down, skin up. And there's a reason for that. In just a second. Now my chicken for this dish, I do not season both sides. I season that skin side. Okay, that's cooking in that butter already in there. We just want some seasoning on the skin, and then when we flip it, that's going to take on the seasoning. Now this is fresh sea salt. So I want to get a little bit of that sea salt on there. And we want to go on with some freshly ground black pepper. So you can give that a little patting onto the skin. Nice and easy. We don't even have to get our hands dirty. On there. Now what we're looking to do, we're looking to put a little bit of browning on, but not overcook the chicken. Okay, and it doesn't take long. Get a little bit of browning on there. We're not really bothered about the bottom. It's the top. So turn it over. Get that in that butter oil mixture. Get a little bit of browning on that skin. Now if it crisps up, fantastic. If it doesn't crisp up, it doesn't matter. We want that colour on there with that seasoning. Okay, let's have a look. Now that's what we're looking for, that bit of colour on that chicken. So all we're doing is take the chicken out, put it on a plate. Now like I say, we're not trying to cook this. That is perfect. Just put that to one side. In that same pan of oil, in with our onion, in with some garlic. Garlic is optional for this, it depends whether you like it or not. In with a good pinch of thyme. Give it a little stir through. Now, what we're trying to do is just cook these onions a little bit, not much. We're taking on that butter flavour. And we're going to transfer the onions to the slow cooker and a little bit of that butter flavour. Okay, we don't want to cook these too much, flame off. Now what we need to do is we need to transfer those onions to this slow cooker. Now I don't want all that butter and oil in there, so I'm going to use a little slotted spoon. We're going to get that out of there, and we're going to transfer our onions to our slow cooker. Okay, so that leaves a wonderful amount of butter and oil in our pan. Just want a good spoonful. So we've got the base of our onions and garlic in there. We've got a chopped red pepper. That's going in. We're not going to give this a stir in or anything. We want in here 3 tablespoons of paprika. To that, can of tomatoes. Chopped tomatoes. In it goes. Okay, I've got a cup of chicken broth and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Just give that a little whiz in there. And we're going to add that to our slow cooker. Now, sugar is totally optional, but I'm going in with a little bit of sugar, possibly about half a tablespoon in this dish, because these tomatoes are sour, the tomato paste is sour, and we're using sour cream at the end. So a little bit of sugar in there. And then all we're going to do is add our chicken back to our slow cooker. So get that chicken in there. Now give it a little push down, but don't squash it all the way down. See if we can keep the skin above that level. You know, it is going to sink, I can tell you now, it will sink. But hopefully we might keep a little bit of coloured skin above the tomato mixture. So that's it basically, as simple as that. Lid on, cook. Cook for about 6 hours. Okay, that's a good 6 hours there. I've got some sour cream, which we are going to stir into there. So let's get this lid off. Oh, just look in there. Right, here's the thing. This is what you need to think about. You need to think about, do you take the chicken out or stir in the sour cream, or do you stir in the sour cream round the chicken? The choice is yours. I'm going to leave that chicken in there, I think. So let's get some dobs of this in there. And we're just going to work that in gently. Oh, just look at that. What we need to be doing, we need to be serving it over pasta of choice. Use whatever pasta you like. Oh, we're going to be taking out one of our chicken thighs. Chicken thigh on there. Oh, look at that. I got a small one here as well, so I'm going to do 2. Ho ho! Right, and what we want some of that onion and tomato mixture. Oh, look at that. Just a little sprinkling of parsley. Come on. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look in there. Look how soft, how perfectly cooked that is. Some of that sauce. Oh, that is amazing. Look at that. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.